Okay, this tutorial is going to show you what I want to see on your revision documents. So you have this email draft right here. As you are reading through, remember to use your non-negotiable list. I suggested yesterday to put a picture of that non-negotiable list into Notability so that you can check each one off as you walk through it step by step. Okay. First and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and look at my formatting on my email. And as we've said, your greeting should be on one line and there should be nothing else. And you'll see that I have this line right here. Hi, my name is Rebecca McGahey. That should not be there. So what I want you to do is I want you to highlight this sentence or whatever it might be. And maybe I'll highlight this word right here, and I'm going to leave a comment. And I'm going to type in what I need to do. I need to hit return after, make sure you spell things right, after the comma. The greeting should be on a line by itself. Okay, and I'm going to leave that comment. Because when I go in and I look at your emails, I want to see that you're identifying the mistakes, okay? So now that I've done that, okay, I see that there. I have, hi, my name is Rebecca McGahey. Well, I've got a couple different errors here. One, this is a run-on sentence, okay? So I am going to just eliminate the hi. I actually said that when I said, Dear Mr. Luke Bryan, this would be the greeting. So I don't need hi. So if you're starting off with hi or hello, you can go ahead and eliminate that. I need to capitalize my because it's the beginning of a sentence. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to add a comment over here. Because it's the beginning of a sentence. And I'm going to leave that comment there. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually fix that within my writing. Same thing here. You know, this is my name. Should my name be capitalized? Probably. It's a proper noun. Okay. So these are answers that I know that I can do. Okay. You'll be able to find those mistakes, but I want you to identify them in the comments over here so that I can see what you're doing. Same thing with Worthington Middle School. You know, this should be capitalized as well. It's the name of a school, right? Specific name of a school. Now, what happens if you run into a sentence? Maybe you're dealing with complete sentences, so you're figuring out if it's a one thought, two thought, or an incomplete. Maybe you don't know. So I'm a 7th grade student at Worthington Middle School. That's one thought. My English class is working on a project that encourages us to find a problem we want to solve. That is one thought. I really want to encourage people to listen to country music because it has heart and soul, and I think people can really relate to the message in country music. That's more than one thought, but how do I fix it? Maybe I don't know. So go ahead and highlight just one or two words. You don't have to highlight the whole sentence. It's a pretty long one. And leave a note for me. Mrs. McGahey. Okay. I'm not sure about this sentence. I think it is a run-on. Am I right? Okay. When I come in here, then I can see the note from you and I can go ahead and answer it. Okay. Maybe it's a word that you don't know if it needs an apostrophe. So again, you would say Mrs. M. You just go Mrs. M. Don't have to spell my name, right? Just Mrs. M is fine. Mrs. M. Do I need an apostrophe here? Okay. Ask me a question. I'll answer you. Okay. And then when I go in here, I'll be able to see your highlights. I'll be able to read your questions. I'll be able to respond and add in my own corrections. Okay. What I want you to do as you revise, you must be leaving me comments as to what it is you're fixing and why you are fixing it. The why is extremely important in this process. If you don't understand why, then ask. For example, I feel like this word should be capitalized. Am I right? There you go. So you're identifying what the problem is you think it is, but you're not sure. And so you just need a little more help. Am I right? Go ahead and leave a comment. If they're the questions that you're not sure about, I'm not expecting you to fix them in here, okay? Like this one, the my, you knew that should be capitalized. So highlight, tell me I have to capitalize this because it's the beginning of a sentence, and then actually capitalize it in your writing, okay? If you know that this should be capitalized because it's a proper noun, then actually capitalize it in your writing, okay? I've identified a lot of other letters in here, so that highlight is going to stay there. If it's a question that, gosh, I think it's a run-on, but I'm not sure, don't fix anything until you know whether you're right or not. That's okay. But I should see highlights. I should see corrections. I should see questions over here asking me for help. That's what I want you to do. This is your goal for today. By tomorrow, this email should already be done. You've had 2 days to work on it. You should be done with that. It's not a long email. Now your step is to start revising. I want your revisions by tomorrow. Okay? You have the entire class hour to work on this. If you need more time, then talk to me, and maybe we can extend it over the weekend. But I don't want to wait any longer, because on Monday you're going to switch and start working with Miss Makla. When you complete your Who's Reading journal, you've finished revising this email, you can go ahead and start working on the poetry unit from Miss Makla, or you can start working on reading your 15 pages for the evening. That choice is up to you. If you have any questions, make sure you do email me through Schoology. All right, have a good day.